guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Madame Glam haul for you guys. They had sent over, let's see if I can do this. Nailed it. Okay, so they had sent over a couple colors from their new collection. Oh, look at this yellow. Look at, okay, I'm excited. So let's zoom in. So this is, oh my God, I'm gonna butcher these names. I don't know how to say this name. I'm sure it's something very simple to say, but I don't know how to say it. Oh my goodness. Look at this color. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch these. This yellow color is amazing. Now you want to be careful about shadowing with yellow, so I would do super thin coats, because if you have a lot of product in one area, you could end up getting some shadowing. So I like to do nice thin layers. I got a little fuzz in there. Did I get it out? I think so. So yeah, I will do 2 coats on this bad boy. All right, next up we have this peach color. This is Dulce. Yes. It's like a more orangey peach, not pink. It's actually deeper than I would have expected. Super pigmented, holy moly. All right, next up is Passion, which is, oh, I know this is a new collection and it is summertime, but this has me and fall all over it. You know that one color that I wore probably most of fall last year, even into winter. I'm sorry, you can hear my cat probably meowing through every single door in this house. I was obsessed with it. Tell me this would not look amazing together. In real life, there's a difference in real life, maybe not on camera. Right, next up is Painting Dreams, which is a gray. This is I would say this is a green gray. So it's a very light gray, or I would say more medium gray, but it has a green tint to it. So this would be really pretty with florals on top, because I feel like if you add those green accents on your florals, this would kind of be a really good transition color to tie them all together, but without being overwhelming. Does that make sense? All right, so I get asked how to ombre colors in like a gel polish form. So I'm gonna show you that with these 2 colors. So I'm taking Dulce and that yellow one I don't know how to say. So I like to start with the darker color. That usually kind of goes against what you're taught really in color theory. But for me, I like to start with the darker color, and I just think it just plays out better. So I like to keep most of the color down on the side, and then I come in with my lighter color, again going down the side. Okay, so now here is where you can take an ombre brush, but I'm just gonna use the same brush. So there's not much left on this brush. I'm going to just pull it down in the same area over and over and over again. Give it a second. I think that's where people lose out, is that they want to rush and cure it. Give it a second to melt together and then cure it. You can see on the brush there's a little bit of transfer, so I actually like to wipe off my brush before I put it back into the jar. We're gonna repeat that process. Gonna come up and down. Again, I like to keep most of the color on the outside, and I got a little bit too much in the middle, but we'll see how that plays out. So again, wiping off your brush, And then I like to move in. If you have a lot on your brush, you might want to wipe it off. And just feather it down. And there was a little bit too much. I saw it and I was hoping that it would just blend out, but it didn't. So do not be afraid to come back in. It's okay if you have to fix something. I feel like people get so down on themselves with ombres if it doesn't look perfect right away. Give it some time, let it mellow out. All right, here are the two ombres. Remember, people are not going to be up close and personal, and they're not even gonna be this close to you. Remember that. If they are like all up on your nails, they wanna see. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cut yourself some slack. I promise you're fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. All right, here are the colors. So pretty. And then I do have the matte. You guys know I like to do matte on the underside. And let's do some comparisons. All right, clearly I don't have many yellows. So this guy might slide in, kind of thinking right here. So this is Madame Glam's I Need a Latte. This one is the Presto one. That's the super neon ugly duckling one that I usually use. So this one is gonna fit nice in there. And then this one is Dulce or Dulce. I don't know how you would pronounce that, but this also might kind of go right in there. And then that's again, I Need a Latte. So these are the browns. Not that I think it belongs over here. This is creme brulee, but I just wanted to show you that it is definitely an orangey kind of cream color. All right, I don't have a gray gel polish, so that's not gonna be comparable to anything that I have. And I don't have any reds on here either, so I'd say these are some great ones to add. Again, here are those ombres, and then we have these bad boys. So have fun with these. I think these are great, and you guys know I do have a discount with Madame Glam. However, 9 out of 10 times their sale is better than my discount, but I do like to offer it for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.